In this video, I'll be showing you how to use a custom button layout on your ROG Xbox Ally X, also known as button mapping. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, the first thing that you want to do is press your command center button on your console, and then that's going to bring up your command center. So all you want to do from here is open up the Armory crate. Go ahead and click on that. It's going to look something like this. I already had it open, but yours might take a bit longer to open up. Then from here, all you got to do is go to configure at the very top. You can do it in gamepad or desktop mode, but we're going to be doing it in gamepad mode. Now from here, the very first option is key mapping. So you want to go into that, and there's a lot of different things that you can assign. There's a lot of things that are unassigned as well, but we're just going to be using A, B, X, Y buttons as an example. So go ahead and click on that. Now let's say we want to do Y, for example. As you can see, there's a primary function and a secondary function. So the Y button, if you want to just change the primary function, you can edit it and change it to anything you want. You can also change it to a specific action, like let's say you want to launch Copilot with that button. You could do that, and you can do that with any other button as well. But you also see there's a secondary function. So what you can do when you go back, you're going to see there's M2 and M1 buttons on the back of your console. So if you hold down, let's say the M2 button, and you press a button that has like a secondary function, for example, Y. So you hold down M2 and then you press Y, it's gonna do whatever the secondary function is. So like, let's say you want to take a screenshot, or let's say you want to start recording, you can set it to that and then use easy shortcuts like that using the M1 and M2 buttons. It's very simple to do. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and also be sure to check out our other ROG Xbox Ally X videos on this channel.